In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a report in Auditchain Suite's Luca, which is an expert system for creating financial reports. That's what it's going to be. It's just got a shell right now, but we're getting there. So to do this, the first thing you want to do is get a name for the report. I create the report. So I could add information by filling in the form, but I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is I have this Excel spreadsheet that has all the report information in it. There's the base information for the report, the terms, the labels, the references, the structures, the associations, the consistency rules, the roll forward rules, and the facts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that spreadsheet. So it takes the data, converts it into JSON. Then I'm going to send that data to the report. As you can see, it's successfully pulled in all this stuff. Here's the base information. There are the terms, the labels, references, structures, associations, rules, and facts. I'm going to generate the report. There's all the XBRL pieces. I'm going to download it. It's the right subdirectory. So there's the report. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to go to that subdirectory. That's the report that was just generated. I'm going to take these files, unzip it, and I'm going to run validation locally using the UB Matrix XBRL processor and the XBRL Cloud XRun XBRL processor. It takes a minute. So it should be done in a second. Okay, so it's been verified. And I'm going to run XBRL Cloud validation. It generates all these files. So these are the ones I don't look at. This one should, wait, this one is the instance. It's valid. These are the rules, the formulas of the report. You can see everything is okay. It's a lot of validation that's going on. Everything's as expected. And I think I'm going to call that good.